So I know what shot.
You remember there was a video like that some time ago.
Oh, yeah,
It showed
yes,
how
yes.
some people passed.
And a grown that one, a grown up.
It's trending.
So
Wow.
she will do that. And do what? What do you do? What do you do?
No, you
No, let that what she does
you
inside.
operate inside the way they always operate.
No, this would have not entered.
Okay. One is BJ. That's a fortune. The way you are doing it, do it, Ellen.
The way you
Stand well.
you're doing, bring more. Bring more. The way you've been doing it.
Okay. Fantastic movement.
Wow.
It's a nice guy.
It's okay.
All right. And after that,
Nothing.
come out.
Who have inspired? Who is the one who have inspired to stand well? Why do you stand to spy?
Yes, one hour, man.
Wow.
Excellent. So we do this and think that we are 45.
Why?
Fantastic.
And think that we are 45.
Wow.
No.
We all level.
Can you see some people when they do this, they still make the wire nets in addition to it. Like
They can cut his tight.
La ilaha illallah.
I think my house is 45. With this.
what is it? Car sliding door. Yeah. Even thank God they didn't break this thing.
Come and help her.
One of them can even
No, she can go alone.
She
She
is the
can go.
one who always enter.
She was able to jump out on.
Wow.
So how can I see you?
The plan rehearsing.
Not a boy, but a girl.
I'm even shocked.
Fantastic. Wow. Wow.
How did I even know that they function?
No, this one is the when you are staying around here. Well, this is
One of them, this one,
I think she is
how
the one
almost
that
in that we walk through the bush like that. They left their sandals here. So we walk with them almost to Danko. It is.
So I know what shot.
Yes, my people, I greet all of you accordingly. I still remain your loyal boy, MC Koboko, aka How to Fight a Lion Without Fear. My people, now they see the video when they say me at the show now. Most of them don't come across this video. Yes, now don't come across the video. Most of them will feel they complain about the children. Say me, yes, all these children, see the children when they thief, see these children when they thief. Now the situation. Now the level when they say me, yes, Nigeria government don't put us. Now the level be that. Now evidence of bad government. They say so. This now the reason why I tell now say me, yes, this our government. One they shout my leader. Now like this, they continue to frustrate the youth when they the country. You see, my guy, all these children not be their fault. I know some to thief, na bad thing, but na the environment where they for grow, and na the hardship of life. Now Europe, all these kind children now are for thief. You look at you went there Europe now Europe now all these kind of children now want for they do all this rubbish. Shey you dey see the video where they show you so. You go see Atiku pikin for there. You go see Buhari pikin for there. You go see Oshomole picture for there. You go see Governor Wike pikin for there. You know, see none of their pikin you go see for there. You no go see Buhari pikin or Buhari daughter for there. You all those chief of staff, you no go see their children for there. Senate people when they dey Senate, you no go see their children for there. People when they dey House of Assembly, you no go see their house for. You no go see their children. You no see their children for there. Na me and you, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your cousin, your nephew. Now they show for grand fighter. Now they show for crime fight. Now they only see. Not believe him one day, if you not stand up, take condemn Buhari, take push Buhari, take come out, in fact, my guys, it's time for you yourself to join those people when people say, man, yes, they need revolution to take over for your country. For how long will you continue to the enslaving yourself? You enslave yourself, you enslave your family, you enslave your sisters, you enslave your loved ones. Just all the name of say, man, you know what speak for them. Now people person they speak for person. My guy, may we pursue all these leaders, may we pursue the comot, my guy. Look for revolution, my brother. May we stand for that revolution, my guy. Without revolution, my brother, Nigeria no will be the same. I dey tell you, without say nothing like revolution, my guy, Nigeria no go do okay. They see so none of the leader, none of the government appointee, you go see their children. They do all this kind of thing. What did they use our money? They do. You when they talk, say me all those children do bad thing, all those children do bad thing, na children they thief. My guy, you did the Europe, you they condemn those children. My guy, for the Europe when you did, all those children, they not get social. All those children don't who reach to, they would not be school. If now Europe, all those children, they not be school, they go there. My guy, maybe we'll see the truth they talk. And my guy, if you come across this video, maybe just try, drop your own comment, drop your own contribution for the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. One love, share this message. Thank you.